Hello YouTuber, I am about to eat this light bulb. It is a completely real light bulb. The only trick is this is completely stupid. Do not try this. This is not a trick light bulb. This isn't sugar. This is 100% real. Now there's a couple people that can put it in their mouth and bite it off like that. I'm working on that. That's kind of the dangerous way to do it. I'll get there. This is just going to be me eating the pieces of the light bulb. So to show you, I've got a plastic bag here. I'm going to aim the camera down, and I'm going to crush this light bulb up in the plastic bag. It's real. Everything's not pulling any wool over your eyes. This is a real light bulb. So here, I'm going to aim the camera down. See the light bulb here? Just going to put it inside this bag so it doesn't go everywhere like the pieces. And I'm going to crush it. There we go. Because I don't want the pieces going everywhere. I can just get it nice and contained in here. Alright. Get you nice and shot it back to my face. And we'll go into my light bulb bag. And sure enough, the light bulb is totally broken. And I don't like eating big old pieces, so I'm going to go for a medium guy, you know. Here, let's find a medium piece of glass in here. How about that guy? Does that look alright? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this white powder off on the inside. That's like not good for you, so I'm just going to kind of clear that up with my fingers. And basically, I'm just going to got a lot of white powder on it. And that stuff's kind of poisonous for you, so. But here's my little piece of glass. I'm going to eat more of it as I'm going, but here we go. Okay. Ah, yeah. Man, here's another little piece. I'm trying to eat it slow, but man, it's kind of rough eating, you know. Mmm. That was a good old piece. Mmm. I'm really gotta chew it up. It's gonna take me a while, so. But you can see I'm definitely chewing the light bulb. I got spit in my mouth because I'm not trying to like get it everywhere, but this is definitely a bunch of broken up glass that I'm chewing in my mouth. Mmm. 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 Sorry, I ate a bunch. I've had a bunch in my mouth though. It's taking me a while to chew it up, but I'm gonna swallow it. Just give me a sec. Mmm. Mmm. Alright. Mmm. Mmm. Hold on. I know this is taking a while, but man, it's glass, you know, I'm fucking trying to swallow it. Ah, I'm getting there. It's really hard to chew up, you know what? Ah. Mm. Mm. Yep, good old and down. Not a lick on me. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.